Today I'm doing something a little bit different with our fashion styling today. I'm Dawn Herring, and yesterday I was in my art studio space and I was doing a little bit of organizing, and I also put together what I would refer to as an inspiration board that I had a little bit of one in my previous residence, but I updated it a little bit here, and I actually used a large piece of cardboard to pin everything to, and then I pinned it to the wall. And I used inspiration from this inspiration to put a look together for myself today. And I wanted to show you how that translated. Yes, here's the board. And as you can see, the majority of what you see on here is black and white. I love working with black and white when it comes to fashion styling. Black and white are the perfect contrast with each other, but there's also elements of a neutral in here as well. We've got a couple of neutral pieces that I've thrown in here that I think work really, really well with the overall scheme of things. So I decided that I would combine the black and white with the neutral tan color. Yes, so I just wanted to show you this inspiration board that I put together. It's got some clippings from magazines, and it also has a few items from tags that I took off of clothing. And it also has a couple of other items too, like this ephemera here. Just had so much fun putting that together. So now we're gonna flip the camera around and I will show you my full ensemble and how I used this inspiration to put this look together. Okay, so here we are. I chose to start off with a ribbed white sleeveless tank and a black wide leg pleated pant in black with a little bit of gold sparkle to it. I also chose white nylons and tan shoes. And the jacket that I chose is a long sleeve striped, lightweight jacket. It kind of has like a sweater material to it. And it's got little speckles of white in it, which immediately brings in some texture and some visual interest as well. And with the accessories, I chose these really fun circle earrings that have fabric on them. So this is pulling in some more texture, some more visual interest. And then I've layered up my necklaces today. I've got a choker necklace that has like leaf motif on it in gold and white. And then I have a black, gold, and white beaded necklace that I have wrapped. And then I also have this other beaded necklace with flat stones on it and a little bit of a pendant there. Yes. And for my bracelets, I've got a mix of neutral tones with black. Yes, exactly. And of course, to tie it all together, I've got a fabulous scarf here. It's got a little bit of a fringe on it. And we're bringing in a little more color with the scarf. We've got a little bit of like a top. Actually, this is more like a pinkish neutral. And here's the other neutral that we've been working with, as well as the black and white, with some leopard print, because we all know that I love my leopard print. So yeah, this really ties it all together. And I had so much fun thinking in my mind last night about how I could pull a look together from the inspiration that I put together yesterday. And I thought it translated beautifully. And of course, it helps to have items in your wardrobe that you can choose from to show how that inspiration can translate into something that really works well. And I'm very comfortable, I'm reasonably cozy, because it is getting chillier here in North Texas where I live, and which we're actually really happy about because we've had some very warm temperatures, yes. So autumn has finally arrived, woohoo! So you have yourself a delightful day. Remember to check out my Fashion Styling with Dawn playlist for more videos like this. And you're also welcome to visit my website at dawnherring.net, where I have my Fun with Fashion page. Yes. So you guys have yourselves a delightful day. And remember to have fun with your fashion.